question, if RG, okay, so this one is RG, in the circuit is going to be variable from 10 to 40 because you know that if the resistor, if there comes an arrow mark like this means resistor value varies, okay. So wherever this type of arrow mark comes in a cross way, it shows that value varies, there is not constant. And then the maximum power transfer to the load R, okay. So this load R means RL, that is what they have asked, okay. And now what I want to tell you means some theorem I have to share with you, okay. Some theorem I have to share with you. What the theorem means? So you will be having a first one of maximum power transfer theorem, okay. So maximum power transfer theorem, what it says in a bilateral network, okay. So bi means a two, okay, in a bilateral network, and what you have, the entire network is represented by, so listen to me, the whole network is represented by Thevenin's equivalent, okay. You know Thevenin's equivalent, is it right? Thevenin's equivalent. And finally what they say is the maximum power, so means the maximum power, where it goes, it transfers from source to the load, okay. And the load is equal to Thevenin's resistance, don't forget Thevenin's resistance, okay. So automatically next one I go for the diagram. So in this diagram what I have, so Thevenin's resistance, right? So here this 20 volt, because it's in a round form, right? So you have to make the simple voltage, okay. That's the Thevenin's equivalent we have to find, and I is going like this, and then we have the R is available. So usually RG, now it is represented by RS, can be source, and the next one RL, that is going to be equal. So RL is going to be 10, okay. And just make a completion of this diagram. And now from this diagram, what is given means RS. So why just take 10 to 40 is available for RG, etc. We take for RS, okay, that RG for our source, and that you can take only for 10 to 40, but you show in the form of a variable. Otherwise, I have an arrow in between like this, okay, and then you can have a RL is equal to 10. Oh, that is fixed. So fixed I can name in the form of a constant, okay. And from the maximum power transfer theorem. So from the maximum power transfer theorem, what they say is I is equal to, okay, don't forget I is equal to V by R, right? V divided by, and what they have, you'll be having RS plus RL. So here you have RS, right? So RS plus RL. That is a very important. And then what do you say? So we want the power, is it right? We want the maximum power. So we can go for the power transferred. So the power transferred to RL. So power transfer to RL, that is equal to, how we can write, means general power formula is equal to VI, is it right? So V is equal to I, so automatically I square R. So here you can have I square RL because RL is a load, is it right? And then you can have this equal to, what is I square? So this is I, is it right? I square means what? V divided by RS plus RL, the whole square into one more R. Okay, you know V voltage is 20 volt, is it right? 20 volt. So automatically you will get a 20 divided by, what is RS? Now we can have the minimum, okay. So RS you take a 10 ohm because the minimum, automatically you just don't go for the sum of the highest. So divided by, what do you have? RS, no sorry, minimum is a 10, is it right? I want to say, so sorry, 10, is it right? So 10 plus RL is 10, that is fixed. And you can make a whole square, and into what is RC? RC is also 10. So if you just make a substitution, so 20 by 20 you can have cancel, okay, automatically get the value as 10. So you know it, right? So that is equal to, once again, right, 20 by what is 10 plus 10, 20, the whole square into 10. So you get a cancel, 1 square is 1, etc. Answer is equal to 10. So you will get the answer as 10 watts. Any doubts, comment in the comment box. Simple thing. Thank you very much.